This is responding to your questions about preliminary objections. First, I'll address Naima has 6 questions. Preliminary objections are filed with the Office of Judicial Records. They're treated as though they were a motion. And the time frame is such that when you receive any kind of a pleading, and that would include a counterclaim, as you ask in number 3, when you receive any kind of pleading that needs a response, before the time runs for the response, you can file a preliminary objection. And anybody can file it. And the question that you raise is, if you file it, do you have to let everybody know? Yes, you have to let the other side know, and you always have to serve it on the Office of Judicial Records so they have it. Number 6 seems to suggest you're asking, is it just a delay tactic by the defendant? It's used by many different parties in different situations. Let's say the defendant files a counterclaim back against the plaintiff. The plaintiff could use a preliminary objection about your counterclaim. And it can be used again by anybody that receives a pleading that needs a response. So that would be